The Bohannon B-1, widely known by its nickname Exxon Flyin Tiger, is a specialized experimental aircraft designed to set world records in time to climb and altitude performance. It represents an advanced development of the Van's RV-4, a popular lightweight kit aircraft, but was extensively modified to achieve exceptional performance. The origins of the B-1 trace back to the earlier racing aircraft, JM2 Pushy Galore, created through collaboration between engineer Bruce Bohannon and aircraft designer and racer James Miller. After the success of the JM2 in air racing and climb attempts, Bohannon began designing a more capable aircraft focused entirely on record breaking. The Van's RV-4 airframe was selected as the foundation because of its strength, lightweight structure, and aerodynamic efficiency. The B-1 was completed in 1999 and registered as N389BB. It is a single-seat, low-wing, all-metal monoplane with conventional landing gear. Its engine system became the defining feature of the aircraft. Early versions used a Lycoming IO 540, a six-cylinder piston engine paired with a three-blade Hartzell propeller. To achieve extreme climb performance, the engine power was increased significantly through the use of nitrous oxide injection, boosting output from approximately 260 horsepower to more than 425 horsepower. Later record attempts in 2001 introduced a Lycoming IO 555 engine, providing further performance gains. The aircraft's appearance became iconic due to its black and orange tiger paint scheme, developed in cooperation with sponsor Exxon. The nose art was painted by aviation artist Teresa Stokes, contributing to the aircraft's distinctive identity and public recognition. From 1999 to 2005, the Bohannon B-1 established around 30 world records in altitude and climb performance across multiple aviation categories. Its first major achievement occurred in 1999, when it climbed to 3,000 meters in 2 minutes and 20 seconds, setting a world record in the FAI C-1B class. Subsequent achievements included climbing to 6,000 meters in 6 minutes 36 seconds in 2000 and reaching 35,000 feet, 10,668 meters in 2001, setting an absolute piston-engine altitude record. In later years, the aircraft surpassed this mark several times, achieving heights of 11,441 meters, 12,588 meters, and eventually 14,301 meters by 2003. The B-1 achieved particularly impressive time-to-climb records in the unlimited category, which includes all piston-engine aircraft regardless of weight. Among its most notable results were climbs to 20,000 feet in 6 minutes 16 seconds, 30,000 feet in 9 minutes 43 seconds, and 40,000 feet in 20 minutes 24 seconds. By February 2006, the aircraft reached a maximum altitude of 47,530 feet, making it one of the highest-flying piston-engine aircraft ever recorded. It also became the first home-built aircraft to cruise above 40,000 feet, a milestone demonstrating the extreme capabilities of modified experimental aircraft. The achievements of the Bohannon B-1 brought lasting recognition to its creator. In April 2022, Bruce Bohannon was inducted into the Texas Aviation Hall of Fame, honoring decades of contributions to experimental aviation and world record performance flying. Today, the Bohannon B-1 remains an important example of how innovative engineering, careful aerodynamic refinement, and advanced engine modification can transform a lightweight experimental aircraft into a record-breaking machine. Its legacy continues to influence experimental aviation enthusiasts and demonstrates the performance potential of highly modified piston-engine aircraft.